What's the meaning of bush house? Bush house. Bush house.
Bush house. Bush house. Bush House is a building complex located in the Aldwych area of London, which was formerly used by the BBC World Service. It was built in the 1920s and has been occupied by various organizations over the years. The name Bush House is believed to have originated from American businessman Irving T. Bush, who was a major investor in the construction of the building. Today, the complex has been converted into a mixed-use development, housing offices, luxury apartments, and restaurants. It continues to be a popular landmark in the city, known for its Art Deco architecture and cultural significance.